Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Jeep Liberty Limited. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 156,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.